how to find your old posts on Bereal. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to find it easy and quick. First open Bereal, and once you're here all you need to do first go to Play Store and make sure your Bereal is updated. That's it, just see if there is any update here and then open Bereal. And now click on your profile here in the top corner, and here we'll find your memories, and that's it. Now click view all my memories, and that's it. Here you can find it. Just scroll, and I hope that can help you. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.